You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these type of bacteria. If you want to learn more confusing names, scientific names from science, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn and listen to and learn from. Actinomycetes. Let's break it down. Acti. Some may say actor, actino. That's fine too. Or actino. Actinomycetes. Yes, as in hold my seats. Actinomycetes. Actinomycetes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.